We sell a lot of Speed Queen top loading washers. We are not selling that into the vended laundry. We're selling that more into places that get tired of residential machines lasting a year and then throwing them out and having to go buy another one and throwing them out, because there are a commercial built machine, and that Speed Queen does a much better job of handling it. Are they a true, I'll call industrial machine where it's a when you get to 20 pound, 60 pound type machines? No. But they're a lot better than kind of the low end residential machines that can't handle the abuse. So those top load machines definitely have a place. A lot of people don't have the utilities for it. They don't have space for a large commercial machine, but it is a good answer for a lot of folks.